You named Ronaldo. Who's your best player, like, or who do you idolize most in the world?
I love watching Messi more,
Okay.
but I idolize all of them, man. I learn so much from all of them, man.
So if you had to choose a Ronaldo versus Messi, you choose Messi
And then get abused.
because it's a
and then get abused by everyone. And then the fact is, I'm a fan of both. But because of who I am, people want to throw the question, Messi, Ronaldo, Messi, Ronaldo. I don't even know the context.
Yeah, even I don't know the context.
moment
I
they
just
ask
asked
him-
you because everybody asks it.
Yeah, Messi, Ronaldo. And the thing is, moment I'm asked Messi, Ronaldo, and if I ask what contest, they're like, "अरे नहीं, बोलो Messi, Ronaldo." क्या बोलूं भाई? क्या height किसकी लंबी है? या कौन क्या बोलना है मैंने Messi, Ronaldo? Because they both are outstanding players, and I get inspired.
Of course. But who do you think is a... So let me make it easy for you. कौन सा प्लेयर है जिसकी प्लेइंग स्टाइल आपको लगता है कि आप से मैच करती है, या आप जिसको आइडलाइज करते हो इन दैट सेंस कि यार मैं मेरी टीम में ये रोल प्ले करूंगा अगर एक हाइपोथेटिकल ड्रीम वर्ल्ड होगा इन दोनों में?
Ronaldo.
That is what I want to know.
Yeah, in दोनों में Ronaldo.
That's the context.
Yeah, I've learned and followed him a lot.
And why do you say so? Give me a point. कि
Yeah, because-
क्या है ऐसा जो आप रोल प्ले करते हो?
Yeah, because the hard work bit, the being disciplined bit, and I'm not saying Messi is not, but I have less knowledge about what Messi has done for it. Of Ronaldo's, I've read more, I've seen more, and I love to follow him as a specimen, the way he works hard, but I enjoy watching Messi more. Things that Messi does, and I don't know a game style. It is
Yeah.
difficult. Forget to play like them because no one can. But even to think कि मैं ऐसा कुछ करना चाहता हूँ, it's difficult to think also what Messi does. I'm not saying कि it is easier to follow or copy or get inspired by Ronaldo. It's just that the blueprint is easier to understand. हाँ ये ऐसा मुझे बनना है. When you see Messi and you think क्या कर दिया इसने यार, ये
Magic.
कैसे करोगे यार? In a way, it's just different. He plays the game only in a different manner.
You know, I saw him live for the first time in my life. Finals, Argentina versus France. So I wanted to go there because my brother is a big fan. I told you, right? So finals देखने हम दोनों गए थे, and we were like right there, I think 2 seats away from the ground. And I saw everyone around me. हर किसी की आंखों में जो मैजिक था ना देखने का, that was incredible. Like that, the way everybody's, you could sense कि heartbeat up and down हो जाती है जब like an AD Maria or an Mbappe or a Messi just touches the ball and even going closer to the ball. So the kind of magic that you're talking about, it's visible in the stadium.
He's a stress buster for me, yeah.
अगर ऐसे और भी बहुत insightful shots और clips देखनी है तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो.